What's good, guys? Obviously, by the title of this video, you can tell things are about to get pretty heavy. So, I took some time and jotted a few things down on my phone, basically so that I can be real with you guys about what's been going on. Yes, I'm in the future. Yes, I'm still currently in Chile. And yes, my femur is still broken, but it's feeling good. I'm sorry, guys. I know, believe me, there's a huge delay in this video. As many of you know, I broke my femur over 10 weeks ago. But if I'm being honest, I lost some of my motivation after this injury. I'm an extremely hardworking, super positive person. So this has been a significant moment for me. As a lot of you guys could see how excited I was for the semester, you could tell my expectations were high. I made a best friend through YouTube. His name is Alvaro. He appeared in the last video, and he just happened to go to the exact same school that I'm studying abroad at, has 2 dirt bikes, and a track at his house. Things changed in a second, so I was disappointed to say the least. Nobody thought that I would even stay here in Chile. Recovering from an injury like this while being 4,500 miles away from home is absolutely gnarly, bro. It's wild. It was a bad crash, guys. It was not good. Others have died from this exact injury as your femoral artery runs by your femur directly to your heart. I have flipped my mental state. I realize how blessed I am to be able to walk, to be able to be alive. I'm extremely thankful to God for keeping me safe once again. I want to say this has not ruined my study abroad. I have still had the semester of a lifetime here in Chile in South America, and I've made some of my best friends. So guys, here's to moving forward and coming back 10 times stronger from this. And as you can assume, this video is about to get wild, so enjoy it. And we're here. It's officially the next day, and literally out of my room, you can freaking see the bikes. Open up the door, and there's the old 350 banger. Yeah. Literally, track is on the spot. We don't have to drive anywhere. Literally just walk across the street, not even across the street, like walk 100 feet, and we're at the track. Let's go eat some breakfast. Estamos andando, bro.
Andar el motito ahora.
Cheers, bro. Iron it up. Buenísima. Gracias. Food has been eaten.
Damn, doggy.
Alright, we need to do a filter and something, right, bro?
Ooh, fuego.
Alright, we're up at like, what is it, 9 o'clock, about to do some filters and ride. Bike looking pristine.
Yo, party boy, you watching this?
Party boy, where you at, bro? Party boy is sleeping in because he partied too much last night, doggy. Like it was nothing, bro. Just threw that thing off. You got the carbon fiber little tank. Put the exhaust on this one. And these nipples on here, bro. You had to put these on, man.
I changed the whole wheel line.
Oh, okay. The whole ram, the whole hub, everything.
Holy shit, man.
Alright, bro. Honestly, don't know if I've even ripped a YZ125 before.
Really? Don't worry. I got you.
What are we doing right now, doggy?
We're gonna warm it up for a bit, man.
Getting a little warm, getting a little pump. I don't remember the last time I got to get a little pumping before riding because I'm always rushing to the track.
I haven't done this thing in a while, so.
We'll just get a quick little pump in. Ay, bueno. Yo, sick, doggy.
Fuego, man.
What's up? This is sick. Where did this spot come from?
Look at that chimney, son.
Dude, you have a legit training facility here. Start shipping the American riders down to Chile.
This is legit, doggy.
Like, does this do something, bro?
This is for a Stevens like dance move, you know?
This is, everyone wonders where I learned my dancing from. It's from this machine right here, bro.
Let me get this, shut up. Damn, dog. Straight Steven.
That thing legit? Start. Oh, we get a nice little one on here. Got that pump in. Let's get it. And fresh out of the gym, you can see the track. Look at all the palms. Hey, do you need these Javes, bro? No. Okay. Look at that. Alvaro's training compound waiting for us right here. Dude, I don't know why I love the palms so much. They just look nice on the track.
Ooh, man, palms are nice. Yep. We have a trampoline over there.
Hey, we literally been talking for 2 months and now we are here. We actually out here, bro. Out here in Chile, riding dirt bikes right now with my boy Alvaro, literally, what? Woo! ATM, Yamaha, and tracks out right out that door, easy. Out at the compound, like look at this spot. Look where we are, doggy. Like, this is crazy.
Paradise, man, paradise.
About to go shred some dirt bikes. That's it. Alright guys, suited up in the fresh new AM gear. We got Alvaro getting his stuff warmed up. Ew. Hey, setup's clean, bro. That's it, bro. First time ever riding in South America. Third time riding in a different country. I've ridden in Spain, England, and now South America. It's about to be crazy out here in Chile. Let's get this day started, bro. Like messed up.
I saw that thing. Yeah, it is messed up. I can see a bone maybe coming out of
Right
your
here.
neck.
Alright, so this
Oh my man.
dude, I just hit the quad and just over jumped and messed up my semester, bro.
No man, no fucking way.
That's
You did, and you did, man. You're gonna get out of this
dude,
thing.
and when I turned over, I saw my leg just flop.
Man, we're all here for you, and the ambulance is on the way. So just hang on there, man.
Gotcha, bro. We out here. It's completely broken through for sure. When I crashed, I felt my leg. Well, I looked down at it and it just flopped left and right. So this semester changed up super quick. Alvaro, you're the man for all the help, bro, for real.
I got you covered, man.
But we're definitely gonna need surgery and all that stuff. So.
Yeah, minutes away from getting Steven out of here.
About to be ripping the heli.
Ripping the heli.
Yeah. Hola, hola.
Hola. Real padre.
Uno, dos, tres.
Taking the helicopter to Santiago to get surgery, guys. It's a gnarly one. We're staying positive and we'll be back at it, guys.
Operación Steven.
Steve up.
The most expensive ride on a helicopter you'll ever
Honestly,
get,
bro,
man.
but we getting to Santiago quick.
For sure, we getting that surgery ASAP, my man.
Look at what I'm about to rip, bro.
Ooh, that ride looks nice, doggy.
Not bad, it's not bad.
Hola. Ah, se cortó sola, bro. Yeah. Sí,
Thanks, doggy. We going for a little rip. About to be back on that bike shredding in no time.
Something nice. Get that positive energy, my man.
Exactly, bro. I'll be back out there, no problem.
Okay.
No questions asked. I'll be back on the saddle. Back saddled up, Steven.
About to take off for flight. Our mans.
¿Y qué estudia tu amigo acá?
And we're testing 1, 2, 3, 4, ready for takeoff. Yeah, it's about to be a good flight. It's looking a little gloomy, but it's gonna be a good time.
Our conditions.
Conditions are good.
My man Jose bringing that fire in. Yeah, doggy. Getting the final shot with my man Jose right here, man. Jose, no way, Jose.
Perfecto, bro.
Secure the package, doggy.
Alright, this is it. We'll see you guys on the other side.
Yeah,
Man, I'm
what's up, buddy?
heading into surgery, dog.
Bye, my man.
That's it.
Love you, doggy.
Love you, bro.
Keep it strong.
Oh yeah, we got this. We got this. Like it's nothing.
Yo, looking good, my man.
I'll be back with that rod shredding.
Hitting triples.
Nah, I've been taking slow for a while.
Yeah, that's the thing,
For a
man.
while, bro.
Yeah, okay. Love you, buddy.
Alright, love you.
Crazy ass mother straight out the surgeon.
Straight out of surgery, been like 10 hours and we're back walking.
Doggy. Looking straight, my man.
Alright guys, just a little update. Been in the hospital for about 2 days now, haven't left, just been walking a little bit to go to the bathroom. You can see got a little scratch on my eye and then next to my eye, nothing too bad. My femur's doing alright. Here's what it looks like. But thank God, hey mom, you made, mom just flew out all the way from North Carolina in the US to Chile.
Right. I'd do anything for my boy.
Thanks, Mom. Appreciate it. Luckily, we got a lot of good support. We've got some free places to stay for the next week, but it's going to be a long road to recovery. Definitely not what I was expecting out of this semester. I had a really good setup. Alvaro had a track at his house. Really can't put into words how bummed I am. Like I've been waking up throughout the night thinking about surfing and moto and everything that I can't do. And biggest thing of all though is I'm safe. I mean, thanks to God for always keeping me safe. Gnarly crashes and it could have been worse. So we're getting discharged today though, which is good. The update is looking solid. Hola, hola.
Es un gringo loco, de crazy.
Crazy gringo.
Pero, ¿cómo decir? Explícale, dice, nos ha alegrado la vida en este tiempo.
Yeah, he has made their life happier.
Oh,
yeah, this
sí,
time.
sí.
With all his craziness.
He's made my life Tengo un video que Miguel lo ve. Cuando está bajoneado, le pongo el video que le mandó él, un video pero precioso.
Yeah, when Miguel is a little bit down, like sad,
Yeah.
and
Le
she
decía,
puts
Manchini,
a video that...
Manchini, le decía, oye, ¿y te dijeron?
Yeah, no. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Gracias.
¿Nos vemos acá o en Viña?
Okay, I mean, either way, perfecto, no pasa nada, nos vemos en Santiago en Viña, así que
¿Sí?
me parece bien y nos vemos pronto.
Nos vemos pronto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Adiós.
¿Cómo estaba el dolor?
Bien, creo que estoy sin...
¿Cómo estaba el dolor acá?
Bien. Solo tengo dolor cuando estoy moviendo.
Patient. Do you need any patient?
Okay.
Yeah. In 2 months, you need X-rays, and the doctor see consolidation is in progress.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Entonces, X-rays.
Everyone came out supporting. What's up?
Yes, Steven! Shred everything!
Shred
That's right.
everything.
He did shred it. He shredded it good, didn't he?
Hey, estamos bien. Dude, I got a DM on
To the
Instagram
max.
and someone was like, I didn't think shred everything should apply to your leg, bro. I was like, obviously not.
Right.
We're about to shred recovery so hard.
That's right.
Best believe I've been doing my exercise every day.
Nothing too bad. 2 incision marks. Little bruising. Live. What's up, baby? Joaquin, been a minute, bro. Thanks for coming out, guys.
Yeah, you got you.
Love you guys. Hey, nos vemos pronto. Joaquin, you're the man, bro. I'll see you soon.
Yeah, not a lot of that. Yeah, no starches.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, hola.
Hola.
We made it back home. We're here in Viña del Mar. We're with Pepino again. ¿Dónde está Eloisa?
Te está durmiendo.
Oh.
Aquí está su ropa.
Okay. How long has it been, Mom? Like 10 days?
It has been 10 days.
10 days. Yeah, 10 or 11 days I was in Santiago, and then now we're back here in Viña del Mar.
thank God we're back, and we're back in my room and stuff, and the recovery process is going good. It
Yes.
started up.
He's doing great.
Yeah.
We have rice and greens for lunch, Stephen.
Yeah.
Healthy. That's good.
We've been eating pretty
We've
good.
been doing good.
Mi madre le encanta tomando videos también. Hola, mamá. Exacto.
Me encanta porque él llega, hola familia.
Oh,
Siempre.
she says that she loves me because I always come in. I'm like, hola familia, like, hey family.
He's a good guy.
Sí.
And I can tell you one thing, this is one of the reasons why you shouldn't ride dirt bikes. But we
They're
still
fun
love
though,
you,
they're
buddy.
fun.